Good morning, students of class 4. Today I'm here with another new topic in English literature, that is lesson 12, Turkish Delight, written by C.S. Lewis, and it is an adapted story taken from the Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. So it's a very beautiful story, very interesting one. We will just read through, and today I'll be giving you a short introduction to it. Thereafter we will have the explanation part by part, just like we had the lesson 10. So before that, the introduction, I'll just read about the poet. The author, from page 96. Please follow the book. C.S. Lewis, 1898 to 1963, was an Irish poet and a novelist, best known for the fantasy series, The Chronicles of Narnia. This series has been adapted into films. Now, there is a movie on this Chronicles of Narnia. If you search, you will find it. It will be in English. His popular works have also been translated into more than 30 languages. His love of fairy tales is reflected in his works. So C.S. Lewis is also a fantasy writer, fantasy stories writer. We know that already. We had two topics out of that. We know that something very different. Okay, based on the lesson, the lesson is based on the theme again, making choices. It's a different same topic like lesson 11, choice. So let us see what is like a short introduction to it. Overall gist. Turkish Delight is an excerpt from a famous children's book, The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. Now from that particular novel, famous book, this particular lesson is taken, one part of it. It tells the story of Edmund, one of the Pevensie children who are transported to the alternate world called Narnia. Narnia is entirely a different world, fantasy way, and the excerpt describes this encounter between Edmund and the evil queen. In that particular world, there was a evil queen, and he, by mistake, he gets into that particular world. That is this little boy called Edmund. Edmund, of course, does not know that this queen is evil. This type of world, the queen does not put before us like a very evil way or very very bad way, but they are looking very grand. Nobody can make out they are evil. The good side of them is shown physically. He has come in from the warmth of a house into the icy cold and is also hungry. He came from a normal house, warm house, and by mistake he entered into this icy cold, a new world. And he was so hungry, maybe might have been traveling along. He accepts the food and drink from the queen and answers any question she has about his brothers and sisters. Now, what happens here? The queen is very wicked, and when he reached there in the beginning and all, she was a little irritated, but first he made up her mind. As we go ahead with the lesson, we'll find. And she asked him, would you like to have something to eat? So like that he pacifies him, and in that time she asked many questions and getting information from Edmund. And Edmund cannot make out that she is an evil, wicked queen, and she gives all the answers to whatever she asks. The title of the passage refers to a favorite dessert, Turkish Delight. Favorite dessert is a eatable thing, favorite. We have temptations, dessert, so many things. You are already familiar with that. So Turkish Delight is a kind of a special dish offered by the queen to Edmund. That Edmund asked for when the queen asked what he wants to eat, and it is selected by Edmund himself that he would like to eat that. The purpose of the passage is to illustrate how unsafe it is to accept food and drink from a stranger. Now, as we start with the lesson, I'll explain to you about this particular sentence, that accepting food and drink from the strangers. They may appear very appealing but are actually dangerous. So, it's a very dangerous thing to accept food and drink from the strangers. This is what happens. And Edmund also, the same thing happened, that he asked for it and accepted, and he remains in a world of fantasy. He was not able to, whatever the wicked queen was asking, he was answering. So when we explain the lesson, you will understand in a better way. Please just go through the lesson so that you will be able to just understand it. I'll explain to you in detail in the following classes. Thank you.